Hola, ¿cómo estás? I just had to drop the little Spanish because my colleague Habiba said I look like Dora in this wig, so I just had to drop it to her. I went DR one time and I think I'm a Spanish expert. But anyway, as the title says, this is a highlight contour everyday dark skin girl friendly. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then stay tuned. I already did my brows off camera. I did actually film the process, so if you want to see that video, then just check out my other videos. Somewhere you'll find it. So today I'm going to be going in with a lot of MAC products because obviously I work for MAC, so I have a lot of their products. But if you do want me to, I obviously do have other products, so if you do want me to use other cheaper alternatives, then let me know down below and I'll definitely do a video for you today. So guys, let's might as well just get started. So I'm going in, I have combination skin, so the rest of my face is pretty normal dry, and then like I wouldn't even say my T-zone, it's literally just this area here that gets oily. So I use Skin Refine Zone, like this bad boy. Like before I started working at MAC I got it, and I've just ever since I've been in love. I use it on myself, I use it on customers, I use it on clients, so love this stuff. It goes on like a lotion and a little bit goes a long way because that's why the tube is so small, but you only need a little bit. It goes on as a lotion and then it starts to get kind of tacky, so I literally just put that on this area here where my cheeks are, where I get oily, and on my nose as well actually. Oh, crap. A little bit on my nose. And then actually it's a trick that I learnt from Goss makeup artist years ago. So what I do is I go in with some powder. You can use any powder. I'm just going in with MAC Mineralized Skin Finish and just literally going over where I put the primer. So I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it has really mattified my skin. Then I'm lazy. I'm not even that I'm lazy, but I don't always need a primer, to be honest with you. I just put, most of the time, put primer there because the rest of my skin's normal, so it's actually fine if I don't wear primer. But because I want a little bit of a glow, I'm going in with MAC Skin Base Visage, this bad boy, and I'm just putting it on the rest of my face. Dependent on which wig I'm wearing. If I'm wearing a fringe, I don't even put it up there because ain't nobody gonna see it, so I just put it, oh gosh, look at that spot. This is what happens when you don't take your makeup off properly. I'm going in with MAC's Prolongwear waterproof foundation in NW50. I love this foundation. It lasts all day. With this foundation I have to make sure that I have my oil control on, because if not, mate, it's like an oil slick by the end of the day. But the coverage, I love the finish, gotta have it. I'm going in with my NYX oh gosh, what brush is this, number 4. I've had it for a while, and I literally just dot it on my face. So if you can see, my face is actually darker than my body, so I go with a foundation that's like lighter than my face but darker than my chest, and that's just to help everything blend in. When I'm putting the foundation on, I'm patting it. I don't swell because I find swelling, you know what, I don't even know, I just don't swell to be honest with you. So I just pat. This foundation is full coverage. If you don't like full coverage, then I will probably recommend something else. You can try to use it lightly. I never have because I love the full coverage. But if you like that, what do they say? It's a natural finish, I think it is. If you like the natural finish or satin finish, gosh, they've got so many finishes, I can't even remember. Then this is the foundation for you. So just going in between my face. So this, if you are darker than me, so this is NW50. If you are darker than me, then you would have to go in, I think NW50 is the darkest shade. So you're gonna have to go in, get either mixing drops or something else to make the foundation darker. So I'm just going all over my face. Don't forget your neck. In Studio Fix, whilst I here, I wear NW 48. I find that colour really works for me rather than NW 50. So that is on. So can you see my little panda eyes, because the foundation is lighter than my skin, so it gives me this effect. Great stuff. Then I'm going in with, and I always have, my Prolongwear concealer in NC50. This bad boy, oh my gosh, I will always repurchase this shade, or this concealer. Keep the concealer and shade, so I'll put it on with my fingers. Why do I like this colour? Why I use NC50 rather than like NW45, because I find that yellow on my face just works so much better for me. I've tried NW45 and it's just, it was too red for me. My undertone, I'm still even confused as to what my undertone is, to be honest with you, you know, because yeah, I have a red undertone obviously actually, but I find the red undertone concealers just don't work for me. So yosh, and I'll do that normal V shape as you do. So I'm just blending that out now. You want to work with Prolongwear quite quickly because it does dry out quite fast, so you want to move fast. Then I'm just going to go with some Sacha buttercup and set that. I literally don't go ham with the Sacha buttercup because I bake, but then I don't like press it where I've just got a whole heap of powder underneath. I ain't got time for that. Going back in with my mineralized skin finish in Dark Deep, and I'm just pressing that all over my head. So for my eyes, because this is my like go-to look, because my skin again is darker than the foundation that I'm wearing, when I just use a bit of concealer underneath my brows, it gives the appearance as if I'm wearing eyeshadow, and customers always ask me what eyeshadow I'm wearing. It's that melanin, baby. So yeah, with the powder, I don't dust anything away because I haven't put so much on. There's nothing to dust away. So I literally just press it into my skin. Oh, this foundation is everything. So next in, going in with my CoverGirl. I'm going in with my CoverGirl Queen Collection Ebony Bronze. Like, I bought this, I can't remember how long ago, but it's so hard to source here in the UK. If you can find it, it's like £20 plus shipping. Who's paying £20, please? Not me. So I'm going in with that all around my face. And Ebony Bronze, if you are a bit lighter than me, I would suggest, what's the other one called? The other one. I can't remember what it's called. I've got it somewhere. So yeah, this is just nice for dark skin. Oh my god. If you are lighter than me, I think this one will be a bit too warm on your skin, so it'll come up too red. So yeah, I'll definitely recommend the other one, whatever it's called. Then I'm going in, should I go in with some blush? Nah. So I'm now going in with MAC's Film Noir. Like, this is a perfect colour as a contour for dark skin. It has like a purpley-ish undertone to it, but it's so nice. I use it all the time. So, you know, the normal areas. Can you see that? Whoa, that looks a bit strong on the camera, boy. Trust me, it's not that strong in real life. and it is a blush, so I do kind of bring it into the blush area. Then I'm going in with NYX Duochromatic Highlighter in Synthetica. Love this. I say love this for everything. For everything. Including people and animals. So I'm just applying that to my highlight area. I'm not going crazy with it because this is my like everyday look, so I ain't going in like that. And even when I put concealer, I didn't put any on my nose or my forehead or anything like that. But I will with the highlight. Just a little bit. Bit under my eyebrows. I'm gonna stick some lashes on, put some lipstick on, and throw a wig on, and I'll be right back. So I'm back. This is the finished look. I forgot to spray my face, but today I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter. Yeah. I am such a drama. I literally drown my face in product. I usually, most of the time, because I like the matte look, like the Matte Fix Plus. This ish is the bomb. It literally keeps my makeup in place and it keeps it matte. Like, if you want a matte look, this is the thing to get. The other one, the original Pepper and Prime, I use it more as a, if I've used too much powder, just to help take away the ashiness, and then I go in with my Urban Decay. But with the matte, that is a setting spray. So this is the final look. Oh yeah, on my lips, I've got MAC Chestnut and Bittersweet Me lip gloss. These two. Oh my gosh. So I'm actually going to film another video, same look, but with cheaper products, because I have some products that I love, which are not as expensive as MAC. So if you like the video, give a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.